Girl, ang lala talaga ng kilig ko. Just finished taking a bath, so do my skincare with me as I do a quick story time. As a lot of you guys have been asking, whenever I post videos with Derek, I get these questions. So, sagutin natin yan. Ngayon ko lang na-realize kakulay ko yung sabon ko. Ito pala, guys. Wala nang mas effective pa sa Kojix. This is what I use. I've known Derek for almost 7 years. We were classmates in high school. Tignan nyo yung mga picture namin. So, nag-graduate na kami ng high school. Senior high na kami lahat-lahat. And then, when I went back to the Philippines, I saw him for the first time. Sa coffee shop kami ng friends ko. Tapos sabi nila, uy, tawagan niyo si Derek. Pupuntahin natin. Pasok niya sa Coffee Bean. Girl, ang lala talaga ng kilig ko. Kasi when I saw him for the first time in how many years, ang tangkad na niya, and nagkalaman siya. Ano naman yung itsura niya nung high school kami. Realize ko, oh my God, I have a new crush. Tignan nyo guys, yung dumi. Ang ganda talaga nito sa mukha. Fast forward to how many months, doon kami nag-start parang mag-meet ulit with friends, tapos I think destiny na. So, long story short, ako talaga yung papapansin. So, yun lang. Isip ko lang i-share kasi it's Valentine's Day. Anyway, thank you for that quick chika minute and thank you for doing my skincare with me. Bye!